going to see why it's got a drip cartridge inside. It's bad, or probably I think this is the washers. I don't think ain't always the cartridge, but the washers. I'm gonna take it apart. The washers in this Delta series monitor. Put the cartridge back. Line up in there. You should have washers in there. Okay. And then I'll tell you that. Hard doing by yourself. Want the audience to see what I'm doing, maybe they can do it themselves. If not, call a professional, because it ain't always easy you think it is. I just done a lot of them. No more drip. No more drip. All fixed. I'm proud of myself. This is not my first one. Probably my 50th one in 20 something years.